Hi, this is the WIKO U Pulse, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch by power key button on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then scroll down to the display section. Tap here, press power button twice for camera switcher, and now let's check this option. So let's press twice to the power key and we could see that the camera application successfully activated. If you want to turn off quick launch the camera up by twice to the power key, you should click on the switcher once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.